Hey guys, Theresa here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple comments on Instagram, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. You're in your feed, you want to select a post, and here I'm going to view all 11 comments. And for example, if you have a lot of trolls or a lot of negative Nancy leaving comments on your post, you can delete more than one at a time. So all you need to do is hit that 3 dots on top and hit manage comments. Now you can select, and then you can delete all 4. And there's also more options. You can even select to restrict the account or block the account. So there you have it. That's how you do it, guys. If you like these types of content, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all for me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.